They were among the most beautiful banknotes ever made. France's francs, a masterpiece of art, culture, and history. From Napoleon's empire to the modern euro, every note tells the story of elegance, revolution, and European unity. The story begins in 1795, after the French Revolution. The franc became France's official currency, symbolizing liberty, equality, and fraternity. Over the centuries, the franc witnessed kings fall, empires rise, and Europe transform. Unlike many currencies, France treated its money as art. Each note celebrated its greatest minds, from Cézanne the painter to Descartes the philosopher and Marie Curie, the scientist who changed the world. These weren't just notes, they were portraits of genius. But by the 1990s, France prepared for something bigger, a united Europe. In 2002, the franc was replaced by the euro, ending over 200 years of French monetary history. The last franc note, the 500 franc featuring Pierre and Marie Curie, became a collector's treasure. The euro wasn't designed around any one country. Instead, it symbolized Europe as one, bridges for connection, windows for openness, and arches for cooperation. Yet, in every euro France uses, you can still feel the same artistic spirit. The soul of the franc lives on. Each euro note is designed for both beauty and precision. Advanced holograms, microprinting, and color-shifting inks protect them. A perfect mix of European art and modern technology. From the golden francs of the 19th century to the digital euros of today, France's currency has always reflected creativity and vision. And now, you can explore them all. I prepared a free downloadable PDF of every French franc and euro note ever made. The link is in the description below. Comment below which country you want to see next. Maybe we'll travel from Europe to Africa next. Money tells stories, and France's story is one of beauty, culture, and progress. Subscribe to keep exploring the world, one currency at a time.